Welcome to Understanding Your Homeowners Insurance. I know that we're living in a very difficult time and that everybody's worried about the rates and how expensive these things are, and I don't disagree. But let's go over what really your insurance covers in a very basic way so that you know what your money is going. Let's just say that you purchased your home for $300,000. A few years later, the insurance company says that your property, under your homeowners, it says dwelling, they are insuring you for $769,000. And you say, that's impossible. My house is only $300,000. It didn't go up for that much. Why am I insuring it for $769,000? Myth number one, you're not covered for what you sell it for, but what you replace it. I'll say that again. It's not what you're selling your home for. You might be selling your home for even more. It's how much does it cost to replace it at a time of a loss. Let's just talk about fire. And the reason I talk about fire, because many of you have been driving around your neighborhoods, and I'm sure you've seen homes that had a fire and now they're completely sealed and nothing's happening, and you wonder why. Well, let me explain. So, here's a fire. The first thing that happens is you are displaced. That means you don't have a home to live in. What does the insurance company have to do? Well, they got to give you a residence, right? A place for you to live. So they have to pay for that. Oh, you have no clothes. They have to give you that too. Oh, you need furniture. They have to give you that too. But at the time of the fire department has to go, so we have to pay the fire department. So now we have to make sure you have where to go, pay the fire department. What's the second part? Oh, they have to demolition that area that got burned. So now the demolition company comes, knocks down the area. They have to pay. So these is dollars, 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 dollars already. Now they have to hire a company that's going to remove the debris. The debris company has to get paid. Did you know that the debris company now has to pay to dump the garbage? So not only you have to pay the debris, you have to pay to dump it. More dollars. Oh, 1 second. So now we have the fire department, the demolition, the debris. Now you go to the town, right? To the city. And you need to rebuild your home. And the city tells you, oh, your house is 100 years old. Therefore, there's changes in ordinance law. What does that mean? That means shortcut. You have to hire an architect. Oh my God, have you hired an architect? Do you know how much money? I'll tell you how much money. Not $5,000. So now you have to hire an architect. Wait, we need the contractor. The contractor has to do the work. So now that's money for the contractor too. The contractor has to have materials. Oh my goodness, more money. And then we have to pay permits. What is the average time that it takes for you to be displaced instead of you becoming homeless? And this is if you have replacement coverage, by the way. Instead of you being homeless, having to live with family, going to somebody's basement, and they're paying your place to live, they got you some clothes, they got you some, oh, I put clothes twice. I guess I care about more clothes. Furniture, sorry. So you get all of that. Do you know that the average case, the construction is 9 to 12 months? Who's paying those rent? Who's paying it? So when you look at your dwelling coverage, make sure that you have enough for all of this, and this is only with a fire. not that it's only, but imagine this is your worst nightmare. And so when you're looking at premiums, you should look at what does it cover? Do I have replacement coverage? And are all these things, and I didn't go over the rest of the policy because there's more coverages. I just want to talk about a scenario so that you understand where your money is going. So is your insurance expensive? Maybe not. Because all of this, if you saved the premium in your bank account, you won't even have enough to pay the fire department to come out and get that fire out of your home. So think about that when you're talking to your insurance agents. Well, you should be asking, do I have enough coverage? Have a nice day.